Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the She Rises token. Ticker symbol is AKA. Now this is a very popular token on the Solana blockchain. They have a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, very popular SOL token, and we're going to go over the information on the She Rises coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, you can find this token on SolScan, but if you are looking for the chart, the price, all the statistical information, you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. Right now they have 3,140 holders, off to a great start here, this token. And their webpage is AKASHA, so akasha.bloomverse.io. And you can find that linked on Dex Screener or Dex Tools if you're looking for it. But it says Akasha DAO is a decentralized community-governed platform. Now that I see that, Akasha DAO, I've actually heard of that. So it says Akasha DAO is a decentralized community-governed platform powered by its native token, designed to redefine AI agent creation and management within and beyond the Bloom ecosystem. Akasha DAO empowers users of all skill levels to develop and deploy AI agents, build businesses, and create games seamlessly. The Akasha DAO treasury accumulates funds through commission fees for games, tokens, and the Akasha protocol, and skill-based betting activities. These funds are governed transparently by the community, fostering collaboration and sustainability. Half of all betting commissions flow directly into the treasury, ensuring fairness and shared growth. Akasha also provides a no-code launchpad, allowing anyone to create AI-powered tools, games, and plugins with ease, enabling even non-technical users to participate in the evolving digital ecosystem. Now, how do you get this token here? Well, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, at Akasha_rising. It's the one that ends in pump right there. You probably will not have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And this token could also be available on Orca, Meteora, Jupiter, other Solana dexes as well. So check out the Twitter right here, blue verified checkmark, 441 tweets. They just joined in November 2024, and they already have 2,169 followers. Their Telegram is at Akasha AI Official. That is the community chat Telegram. has over 1,000 members. Over 200 of them are online right now. And what is their mission? Well, it says Akash DAO aims to advance the field of artificial general intelligence, AGI, by enabling decentralized AI innovation and fostering creativity. Our tools democratize access to AI agent creation, making it possible for anyone to contribute to the future of AGI. Our vision is to be the premier launchpad for AI agents, accelerating AGI development while creating shared digital spaces where agents enhance gaming, social interactions, commerce, and more. Akash DAO strives to empower individuals and businesses to shape the next generation of digital entities through a user-driven, decentralized approach. Now, Akash DAO seamlessly integrates into the Bloom ecosystem, populating its interactive lobby with user-created AI agents, games, businesses, and communities. These creations extend beyond Bloom to platforms like Discord, Telegram, TikTok, Shopify, and more. The cross-platform flexibility accelerates user-generated content while expanding the reach of Bloom and Akash DAO into the new digital frontiers. Now, the market challenges and needs. It says the current AI landscape is plagued by a lack of accessible tools for creating AI agents, projects that often lack utility, transparency, and real-world applications, and technical barriers that exclude non-developers from participating. So the needs and challenges, no-code agent creation, governance over the Akash treasury, skill-based betting, revenue sharing, cross-chain platform integration, advanced AI creation tools, and the technical architecture here, a customizable agent wizard that allows users to equip AI agents with the latest plugins and APIs, secure state-of-the-art protocols ensuring user data and assets remain safe, and seamless integration with decentralized networks and platforms, making Akash accessible and scalable. Now, it's a fair launch. There's revenue distribution, creator pledges. They have long-term, short-term goals, transparency, and security. And this token right now has a market cap of $6.7 million. They're up 78% today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $8 million. They've had over 28,300 transactions today. They have $347,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And this token came out 1 day, 4 hours ago on Raydium. Going strong today. I'm gonna be posting other videos today as well on very popular Solana and other chained meme coins and non-meme coins. So make sure you check out those videos. Hit that like button. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over all the utility use cases and how to get different tokens. Yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.